Who needs a magic wand when you have code? Let's swap some numbers like a pro. Alright, let's dive in. Imagine we have two numbers, A and B. The challenge, swap them without using any extra space. Sounds impossible? Nah, it's easier than you think. First, let's use addition and subtraction. Here's how one. Set A to A plus B1. Now set B to A B1. Finally set A to A B. Boom. Numbers swapped. But wait, there's another way using XOR for you bitwise enthusiast 1. Set A to A XOR B1. Then set B to A XOR B1. Finally set A to A XOR B. Just like that, you've swapped them. No extra space, no fuss. Why does this work? Well, it's all about clever use of arithmetic or bitwise operations, leveraging math and logic to juggle the values around. Your variables hold the key to each other's secrets. So next time you need to swap numbers, ditch that third variable. Show off these tricks and impress your friends, or just keep it up your sleeve for those challenging coding interviews. There you have it, coding magicians. Simple, efficient, and a bit magical. Now go on, swap those numbers like a boss. If you enjoyed this trick, smash that like button, subscribe, and share it with your fellow coders. Until next time, happy coding.